Assalamu alaikum, have a nice day. My name is Talha Iqbal and today I will narrate biography of Allama Iqbal. It was the historic day of Friday of 9 November 1877 when Allama Iqbal was born in Sialkot. He was 4 years old when he was sent to mosque to receive instructions in reading the Quran. At the age of 15, Iqbal got married with Kareem Bibi. A daughter, Minaj Begum, was born in 1895 and a son, Aftab, was born in 1899. He learned Arabic language from his teacher Sayyid Mir Hassan, who was the professor and head of madrasa at Scotch Mission College of Arabic, where he matriculated in 1893 and intermediate in 1895. For the sake of knowledge, he went to Lahore in 1897 and did his BA from Government College Lahore. There he rewarded with Jamaluddin Gold Medal for securing the highest marks in Arabic. In 1899, he did his MA in Philosophy from Government College Lahore. There he rewarded with Gold Medal for securing the highest rank in Punjab state. In 1900, he read his poem Nalaye Yatim at annual session of Anjuman-e-Himayat-e Islam. In 1905, he did his PhD from Munich University. In 1908, he did his bar at law and returned back to home and started practicing the law and part-time professor of Arabic. In 1930, he was the elected president of Muslim League in its annual session in Allahabad. In 1932, he participated in third roundtable conference in London. In 1935, he published Wale Jibril in Urdu, and in 1936, he published Zarb-e Kaleem. Iqbal died on 21st April 1938 due to severe throat infection that lasted till his death. May his soul rest in peace. Ameen. Thank you.